So we just pulled up to the Stockyards, and there are a whole bunch of people here. My parallel parking skills are bomb.
Super bomb.
So we're going to go down and try and catch the herd before we miss them, and then check out some horses and figure out if there's anything else to just, you know, see while we're here. I'm super excited that Whitney is visiting this weekend. I have missed her so much. If you don't know, Whit's my friend from China, and I haven't seen her since March, and that's only the second time that I've seen her since we left China. So I'm super excited she came to visit me in Texas. You're here. I've always been here.
If I say we're here, we're here.
We're here. We're in the Stockyards, Fort Worth Stockyards. Ooh, that's a nice car. We're in the Fort Worth Stockyards today. I'm showing Whitney around all of Fort Worth, and we're looking for horses. You over here sneezing in my video. We're looking for horses. I'm sorry. We're looking for longhorns and probably some good, I don't know, barbecue or a steak or something, because you can't come to the Stockyards without that. We are actually waiting for the cattle run to get started. Yesterday we were in Deep Ellum. Right. We just had brunch and she's hungry. So it's a pretty big change of scenery, between Deep Ellum and here.
Cooler though. Like,
the weather is perfect today for this. Cattle are coming. I see a herd. Whitney sees a herd. I see the herd.
see how quiet I am? Like I'm focusing so hard.
We just saw the herd walk down the street. Whitney is enjoying her aguas frescas. They're delicious.
It's amazing.
We are gonna go in just a second to see a shootout. We're waiting for the train to actually move, and then we can go see these people get shot.
This was so much fun. I would definitely say you have to come here. If you come to Fort Worth, you can't come
The
to Fort Worth.
Stockyards is a must. We're
Like,
gonna
I would be really disappointed if I didn't come here.
We're gonna find a carriage to ride on. Hopefully in a little while.
And I'm gonna go through the maze, and I'm gonna ride
a mechanical bull, maybe. And you got your picture with the longhorn.
Yeah.
Sometimes over here, Wes, got hit.
Okay, y'all, we have just gotten off the mechanical bulls. Don't fall off the other side, Whit. Okay. Lean back when it goes forward. There you go.
You do.
Oh, you speed it up? Why?
See, when it goes faster, it's like, you got it though, Bree, you got it. Hold on. We tired.
When I tell you that was an exercise, some workout right there. Whitney, you did good, girl.
I was tired, boss.
We ready for our first rodeo.
We are.
Okay, so we just found a wall, and you were gonna do what you do whenever you find great walls. We're just gonna take some pictures, because that's what you do when you find a good place. We have had a super eventful day at the Stockyards. It has been so much fun. I am so glad that I actually had a friend out of state so I can explore some of the city that I don't really explore since I live here. But let me tell you all, Whitney is done. And when I say done, you see Whit?
Tired, boss.
She tired. She can't even fake smile for pictures anymore. It is time to eat dinner.
Just take them any old kind of way like this. You know, earlier in the day you want to catch your angles and everything. At this point, I'm taking pictures like this.
Just take the picture. Oh my goodness.
It was so much fun though.